Right, we're just going to have a very quick look at my floor standing pillar drill. It's quite a weighty thing actually. The slotted table, you've got to be quite careful with it. There is a safety collar lock on there. You certainly wouldn't want to drop that table on your feet. It's currently fitted with 3-phase half horsepower motor, I believe. I've got an inverter on the back there. Let's just start it up. So I've got a progressive start on it because I've got the inverter, and you can program the inverter to do whatever you like. We got forward and reverse, start, stop, and also I find very usefully as well, down there I've got a foot stop, so I can just hit that stop like so. Let's just open it up. I don't have a safety interlock on this, so we can still run it. It's a nice, quiet drill. Really quiet, actually. Okay, and then stop. That's it.